Are your AirPods Pro 3 only working when the sound settings app is open on your iPhone or iPad? You're not alone. This sound settings lock bug is a Bluetooth connectivity flaw affecting many users since the early 2024 release. It stems from a synchronization problem between the AirPods H2 chip and iOS's audio routing. The earbuds need the sound settings app open to maintain a stable connection. While not a hardware defect, it's a software issue triggered by background app interference or low battery. In short, the Bluetooth connection between your AirPods and iOS device isn't persistent unless the sound settings app keeps it awake. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS version, such as iOS 19.2 or later, which may include mitigations for the connectivity issue. Next, try toggling Bluetooth off and back on in your device's settings to refresh the connection. If that doesn't work, reset your AirPods. Place them in their case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open the lid and press the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, then white. As a last resort, reset your device's network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset network settings. Keep your AirPods firmware updated by ensuring they are connected and charging, as updates happen automatically. Some users find that temporarily enabling low power mode in settings, battery, can improve connectivity. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, contact Apple support for additional help.